What constitutes real realization? Real realizations actually come from the pleasure of Krishna and Guru. And there, we may assume, I am very pleasing to Guru, I am very pleasing to Prabhupada, we are pleasing to Krishna. We may assume. हम लोग तो बहुत कुछ assume कर लेते हैं दुनिया में. जैसे we always joke, some guest घर में आता है, तो क्या बोलते हो? जाके पूछते हो ना, आप ठीक हैं? We ask, are you comfortable? If you say that, no, actually I am not comfortable. No, you should be comfortable. ऐसा तो बोलते हो क्या? तो how many of you have asked Radha Govinda, are you comfortable? आपको प्रभुपाद को पूछा है, are you comfortable? Is it everything okay? No, if they say I'm not, no, you should be comfortable. That is our attitude. है ना? We offer something for the Lord to it. Do we ask the Lord, was it pleasing? He said, no, you should be pleasing. Now what is the nonsense? We did not get attitude. We give prasadam to somebody. Prabhuji, is it all right? No, it's not all right. No, you should be all right. Then why you are asking? Then your objective is not to please. We have to introspect. So our objective should be to please Krishna. That is our focus. Is he pleased? And in that we should have a very humble attitude. Because what can I cook for the Lord? What can I offer anyway? Well, Lord, please accept. Because I don't know how to cook. I don't know even how to offer. I have no devotion. Please accept. So for all the services therefore we should do under the shelter and grace of Radharani. Because she is the servitor of the Lord. And she gives so much pleasure to Krishna. First we need to do any service to please Krishna. Because then you will get realizations. Okay? So first thing, we should have proper attitude. Therefore humility is first. Correct? It is said, if you have inferiority complex in this world, it is considered some kind of a disease. Hai na? Psychiatrists they take. Some people are there, they feel inferiority complex. Means they can't actually present themselves in front of anybody. They have to speak something, they can't speak. There is something. It's considered more of a psychological disease. Hai na? But Prabhupada says, in front of Krishna, you should have inferiority complex. You should always feel inferior in front of, like a fool in front of Krishna. When you stand in front of Krishna, I don't know, I'm a fool. In front of Krishna, yes. क्या कुछ भी नहीं है. Therefore Prabhupada used to say sometimes in his classes, you are nothing. You are nothing. You are nothing. Then that is actually great mercy Prabhupada is giving. What would take millions of life to realize he gave them in 1 minute. Hai na? Because this is finished their ego. You are nothing. Actually we should be convinced I am useless. Nothing. Good for nothing. In front of Krishna. Also in front of Guru and elder Vaishnavas. That should be our attitude. Correct? Humility. Pridelessness. Then tolerance. There are so many inconvenient situations come in our life. We should be very, very tolerant. Not that we become simply, little in discomfort. No, I cannot do. No, we should be tolerant. We are just seeing the tolerance. Vasudeva Devaki, in front of them, the children were killed. हमारे सामने, God forbid, एक बच्चा मरे, हम तो पागल हो जाएंगे. दूसरा बच्चा मरे, हम तो खुद ही कूद जाएंगे. उधर 6 बच्चे मर गए. They are able to have mental balance. And when Krishna appeared, they are offering prayers to Krishna with proper clarity of thought. Not easy. Very great characters. Actually, Krishna showed to the world, I was not partial to accept Vasudeva Devaki as a child. None of you are so advanced as they. If you want to have Krishna as a child, develop qualities like this. Very, very advanced. And then we see what now Kamsa is speaking. So just forgive him. Started smiling. इतना अत्याचार किया, 1 minute में माफ कर दिया. So look at the character. Very advanced character. So why? Because they have realizations. दर्शन है उनके पास. ऐसे नहीं है कि emotionally they have forgotten Kamsa. It is not emotionally they tolerated everything. No, they have realizations. They have achieved mercy of Krishna. And how do you get realizations? Because realizations is on a spiritual plane. Realization doesn't mean 4 plus 8 is 12. That is not realization. Realization is darshana on a spiritual plane. Because they are on the spiritual platform, they could tolerate any suffering of the body because of their detachment from the world, because of their understanding that everything is in Krishna's control. So many things are involved. Easy to say, not easy to actually have this kind of a platform. And in this platform, we see Vasudeva Devaki are situated. And here is Kamsa, just a sense gratifier. What realization? Nothing. He's speaking. Now some philosophy also speaks. Actually, Danavada previously used to know philosophy also. Actually, everything is because of karma. उनके कर्म थे, मर गए, चलो छोड़ दो. कैसे बोल सकते हैं क्या किसी को? You go to somebody, God forbid, and kill his child. Then after that we say, देख उसके कर्म ही ऐसे थे, मर गया. So philosophy can also be misused and used for anything. You can justify anything. What about you? Okay, the child died because it was karma, but you created a karma now. Now what has happened to you? We are talking about you now. Suppose you go to the Supreme Court and it says, हाँ से murder हो गया मेरा. तो judge says, the Supreme Court says, so उसके कर्म थे इसलिए मर गया वो. His karma was there, therefore he died. The judge will say, now you created karma and I have to deal with that. I have to give you punishment because of karma you created. But an innocent man can be confused in that way. So Kamsa is speaking some nonsense philosophy. Prabhupada said, therefore there is no use of these people speaking philosophy, who are not following any rules and regulation. Their all philosophy is useless. So Kamsa, whatever he speaks, he was simply speaking. And that does not come from core of the heart. Okay? So we also, many times we feel we need realizations. We want realization. दिल के अंदर से हमको दर्शन चाहिए. ऐसा मजाक नहीं है. ठीक है? उसका टाइम लगता है थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. We have to sincerely practice spiritual life and we should beg the Lord. Lord, I don't have any realizations. कुछ कर रहा हूँ मैं, but कुछ realization नहीं हुआ. Then knowing that each element of spiritual life you will do it very carefully and seriously. I am assuming Krishna is happy with me, but लगता है शुरुआत भी नहीं हुआ है because there is no darshana. Correct? If you know what is happy, we are not even started. When Krishna becomes pleased with devotion service, you will fly in ecstasy because that's how we are connected to Krishna. True, no? We will fly. Forget about flying in ecstasy. First thing is the heart is purified. That is the different levels of Krishna's mercy are there, no? Shanvatam Sakata Krishna Punya Shavana Kirtanaha Hridyantastu Yabhadrani Vidunoti Sahasatam. Krishna washes from the core of the heart all the material desires. वही कृपा नहीं मिला अभी हमको. क्या हम एज्यूम करते हैं? कृष्णा हमसे तो बहुत खुश है. हम एज्यूम कर रहे हैं. अभी खुश करना तो बहुत कुछ होगा. नष्ट प्रायश भद्रेश नित्यम भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्ति भवति नैष्टिकी तदा रजस्तमो भावा कामलो वा धयश्चे चेते अनाविद्यम चित्तं सत्त्वे प्रसीदति एवं प्रसन्न मनसो भगवद भक्ति योगतः भगवत तत्व विज्ञानम मुक्त संगस जायते भिद्यते हृदय ग्रंथि छिद्यते सर्व संशयः श्रियंत जस्य कर्माणि दृष्टायवात्मनीश्वरे. Beautiful shlokas. Step by step, higher, 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 higher. They show the level of realization. So person grows. Yesterday we were reading very nice that Gauranga bolite hai. Prabhupada said that is step by step. Gauranga bolite have pulaka sharira Hari Hari bolite nane babe babe nira. That is first step in this shloka. The next Arkavanitai chande karuna ho me samsara bhashana mora kabe to chaho me Vishayachariya kabe shuddha hoye bemana kabe hamahe rambo Shri Vrindavana. He said step by first step is tears should come when you chant the name of Krishna. पहला स्टेप ही नहीं आया और वी आर एज्यूमिंग एडवांस हो गया. बहुत एडवांस हो गया. अभी तो वैकुंठ का टिकट भी मिल गया मेरे को. अरे टिकट क्या, अभी तो पहला स्टेप नहीं आया. द नेक्स्ट इज Nityananda Prabhu ka mercy milta hai, then pura heart is getting washed. And what is the next step? You go to Vrindavan and you take shelter of the Shat Goswamis. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Akoti Kabe Hama Bhujaho Jugala Priti. Then you will understand Radha Krishna Leela. After taking shelter of the Shat Goswamis, you will get Lord Chaitanya's mercy, Nityananda's mercy, go to Vrindavan, take shelter of the Goswami, then you are going to understand Radha Krishna Leela. अभी तो बहुत दूर है. क्या राधा कृष्ण लीला? वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज राधा कृष्ण. हमको कुछ मालूम नहीं है. थ्योरेटिकली मालूम है, हाँ राधा कृष्ण. कहाँ अभी उसके वी कैन नॉट सी द राधा कृष्ण लीला. नाइदर वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपरली व्हाट इज राधा कृष्ण लीला. वी डोंट इवन नो व्हाट इज दैट. डू वी नो व्हाट इट इज? व्हाट इज द प्लेजर ऑफ राधा कृष्ण पास टाइम? स्मेल भी नहीं है अभी, है ना? सो दैट विल कम बाय मर्सी. And this mercy you will get when you are actually pleased. है ना? Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhaktir. By the mercy of Guru and Krishna, this all will manifest. So ये तो बहुत दूर है. So we assume Krishna is happy with us. Don't assume anything. First level is that your life should become sinless. Then you got some mercy. Next level, you should be full day engaged in devotion service without interruption. Correct? Full day. You're not wasting a moment. You do your activities. I said 8 plus 8 plus 8. But 8 hours of devotion service, sadhana, you are fully absorbed. 8 hours you are reading Shastra, everything, you are fully absorbed. Whatever you are doing, fully absorbed. That shows now next level you got mercy. Correct? Anna? The next level you got mercy. Next will develop. So many things will develop. Okay, so we should be careful, not assume. Yes, Krishna is very happy. We should be serious. And then we will not speak. Sometimes we also make a resolution. So we would say, yes, today I'll do this, I'll do this. We do nothing. We do nothing. Just day is gone away, one more day is gone away, one more day is gone away. Correct? So no. So we should therefore see that we actually get mercy of Krishna. And also it's not his one day affair. Because it takes time, everything takes time. ऐसा नहीं एक दिन में हो गया, we get sudden mercy of Krishna and we see Radha Krishna. No, it's gradual, it's called cultivation. Because Maya will keep giving us exams and we have to pass exams. Suppose studies है, आप देखिए 5 साल में कोई बच्चा स्टडी शुरू करता है and he become expert in something after 20 years of education. 1 minute में, it doesn't take, takes time, you have to cultivate. So similarly, you say I want to serve Krishna. You have to cultivate your mind. Mind will give allurements and you say, no. You are developing strength. You are not only developing physical muscles, mental muscles, spiritual muscles. In this world, people are very excited to exercise and physical muscles. It's all what? That's for animals. We want to develop mental muscles and spiritual muscles. Hai? Mental muscles we want to develop. To resist sense gratification. Spiritual muscles to call out for Krishna. Krishna, I want you. That is spiritual muscles. You are developing that. So all this has to develop. Therefore it is culture, it is cultivation. Anna? Because all lying, soul isn't sleeping. Mind only knows sense gratification. It is expert in only sense gratification. It has not known, practice how to resist sense gratification. It doesn't know. And similarly the soul, when lying in slumber, it has to awaken and it has to intensely call out for the Lord. So all this requires cultivation. It takes time. It may take years. It may take many lifetimes. Okay? So therefore we should be keen that there is difference between shadow realization and real realization. What is Kamsa is showing some kind of a shadow. Hai? So similarly we want real realizations. We should not assume Guru Krishna are happy with us. Don't assume. Orderly lat maar ke bahar rakha hai. We are in the material world means we have been kicked out from the spiritual world. Hai? And we are thinking, oh, I am so special. True, Krishna never kicks anybody. Okay. We forced, we come by our own stubbornness. Radha Krishna are very merciful. They don't kick anybody. But practically it is we were disturbance. And we were so engaged, so much desirous of living independent of Krishna. Krishna created an opportunity, therefore we are here. Hai? We are here because of Krishna's arrangement. But we were the one who was stubborn to create such an opportunity. Already we have messed up. Nicely we have messed up. to be here in the middle world. And now it is our opportunity to slowly go back to Krishna, and then we have to become a servant who works for Krishna's pleasure, because spiritual world, there is only one enjoy, Krishna. Ekala Ishvara Krishna. Even Vishnu Tattvas are drinking the pleasure of serving Krishna. Even Balaram, even Mahavishnu, even Advaita Acharya, we are discussing in Chaitanya, everybody is drinking, Sankarshan, everybody, the pleasure of serving Krishna, all the gopis, gopas, everybody, even Vishnu Tattva are all drinking the pleasure of serving Krishna. He is the center of enjoyment in the spiritual world. We have to get trained for that. Okay? So then, when we are trained, then real realization will come. Our material life is useless. Okay, we are doing only sinful life. Kamsa is speaking all that. But we were not able to speak. That has to become a deep, that's called realized humility. All the things should be properly, deeply realized. And for that, we have to become sincere. Then once somebody assumes, see, once you assume, already achieve perfection, you will not control the senses, you will not become serious, you will just sleep. Ho gaya. But once you understand, you come out of your complacency or so-called comfort zone, you understand where time is simply going. I now not please Krishna. है ना? हरि हरि बिफुले जन्म गोयायूं, राधा कृष्ण मनुष्य जन्म पाइला, राधा कृष्ण ना भाजिया, है ना? We will also understand what is he speaking. We have actually, time is simply flying. I have not been able to please Radha Krishna. We should be able to, actually we should be convinced of this fact. We have not pleased. If we are pleased, we will be blown in the ecstasy. We are simply assuming and sleeping on top of it. Simply, we are not alert. Time is going. Cut. An opportunity is there for me to do something that the Lord is. Even once he smiles, Prabhupada says, not fully, little smile, Krishna, in your life, little smile, you go back to God. What we have done? We have not been able to please Krishna. We should be convinced of that. We got some mercy. That's a kana. Therefore, we have begun the spiritual life. But not that real pleasure. Yes, very nice. Once Krishna has to say, yes, very nice. Oh yeah, correct? Prabhupada said, once Krishna is pleased, you get a ticket back to Godhead. But it is not easy. Because therefore we have so many offenses in chanting the holy name. Why we say the offenses? That means actually we are headache on the Lord. We have big estimation about ourselves. Now tell me, for a king, all the prisoners aren't they headache? Aren't they headache? Oh my God. And what are everybody is assuming the prisoner? I am so great. Any sane man, their activity then life is an headache. We are also prisoners only. Aren't we headache on the Lord? Our activities, our behavior. Oh my God. Again this. Cheh. Sometimes we do for somebody like that. Isn't it Krishna's thinking like that? But he's at the same time he's seeing the reality. But he's merciful. Okay? Actually he's not involved. Paramatma manages the business here. But what is the Paramatma is smiling lovingly. But he's watching the foolishness also. No? He's not in illusion. Right? Look at him. He wants to go back to Krishna. Just like say you are training somebody for IAS. And you see 5 minutes he's studying. Oh, he wants to pass IAS examination. Great. Great. You know he cannot pass. So similarly, what do you think Guru Krishna are watching? What he is going to do? He is not going to pass. They know we are not going to pass the exam of life and death, but the present situation we are in. They know that. So therefore, we should come out of complacency. Because let our realization not be like Kamsa's realization. Simply speak, because of the situation presently, it's temporary. Similarly, we are also like that. Kabhi koi situation ho jata hai, some difficult, we guess, life is temporary, we speak. But we are not able to speak from the core of the heart. Because it is not visible. One of the different symptoms of advanced devotee is avyartha kalatarm. He doesn't want one moment, he doesn't allow to go without serving Krishna. So, let us become more serious and we want real realizations. Srila Prabhupada ki